How to tie a perfect full Windsor. My favorite knot. It's what I tie almost all the time because in my opinion, it's the best looking knot out there. I hate the sloppy looking crap that I see people wearing. If that offends you, I'm sorry. I just think a tie should look nice and classy. Let me just take this tag off real quick. I bought this at the Rodeo Drive Ferragamo in Beverly Hills. Bought a few ties while I was there. But let's tie this thing up. I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to tie the perfect full Windsor. We start by putting the tie around our neck with our collar up, obviously. The first step, and probably the most important, one of the most important steps to tying a perfect tie is getting the length right. So we want to take the thick part of the tie, or the front of the tie. I've got it on my left side because I am right-handed, and I'm going to bring it down, and I use my hand as a determiner as to how, I've got it figured out with my neck size as to how far to go down. So for me on a Ferragamo tie, my fingers need to be about right here, okay? Ferragamo is a thinner tie. A thicker tie, I'm gonna go a little bit further because there's more material to take up. So I'm gonna start there. So I've got that here. Puts the back of the tie right here, okay? Now, the second secret to tying a perfect full Windsor is keeping all the parts of the tie flat. In other words, if you feel a little wrinkle or something, pull it out before you go to the next step. So we start by taking the front of the tie over the back, keeping it perfectly flat, just like that. Then we go up behind and through, make sure everything's nice and flat. Then we come down, holding this around behind, up, over, down, and through. Now I call this the checkpoint. What I'm looking for here is, I want it to look like I got a triangle coming on. We'll look over a mirror right here, make sure it's right. Everything looks good there. See that little triangle? And I want to make sure everything's nice and smooth. Then I'm going to take the front of the tie out over the front, making sure it's nice and smooth. Back behind, up and through. Now we're going to push it down through that little pocket we just created. Hold the top of the pocket, pull the tie down through that. We adjust out to the sides. We hold the knot, pull the front of the tie to tighten it up, giving us a perfect triangle. Then we hold the knot, pull the back of the tie to bring the tie up to the front. Now at this point, one other tip, the back of the tie can get twisted around during the tying of the tie. So I like to make sure I'm holding, I find the crease on the back and I hold that with my thumb so I can make sure that the tie stays in the direction I want it to stay in. I bring it up to me. Now a perfect full Windsor, the tip of the tie should come between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle, just like that. There you go guys, that's a perfect full Windsor. Let me bring my collar down. See how that looks. Let me take one glance in the mirror here. I like it. There you go. That's how you tie a perfect full Windsor with a Ferragamo tie.